Hey everyone, I'm just making a quick video here for you to help with some of the questions and how to complete this upcoming graded assignment. So here I am logged in as a student on my history homepage. Your homepage should look similar to this. We are going to go ahead and scroll down and take a look at our weekly announcement. And today is Wednesday, and that is when we are going to begin this graded assignment that I'm going to go over. So we are on Unit 2, Lesson 13. The title of this lesson is called Differing Views. Why is it called Differing Views? You are going to learn about why it is called Differing Views. You are going to choose whether or not you want to listen or read these chapters. While you are listening and while you are reading, you are going to want to open up your graded assignment, which you can find by clicking on this link. You are going to have 3 days to complete this graded assignment. I'm going to introduce it to you on Wednesday, October 21st. You will have class time on Thursday, October 22nd, and Friday, October 23rd, because I will not be here. And instead of coming to history class, I want you all to work on this assignment. What are you going to write about? You are going to write, why do you think the author, Joy Hakim, chose the titles for chapters 19 and 20? So let's take a look at chapters 19 and 20. Chapters 19, A Man and His Times. Chapter 20, A Man Ahead of His Times. So I would advise you to read both of these chapters first or listen to them using those links in your announcements. And you are going to use evidence from each chapter to support your response. So again, I'm looking for evidence, a statement, a reason why you think what you think. So taking a look more at the directions, let's go ahead and open up our prompt here because I have very specific instructions that you need to follow. So again, I have my document here. If you look at the top, it will say enable editing. I get this question a lot. I cannot type on my document, Mrs. Hill. Click enable editing and you will be able to. So I'm repeating the question here. Why do you think that the author chose these titles? They are linked in here, but please do not email me saying you cannot open these hyperlinks. You can click on them, or you can just go to your class announcements or open up your textbook and read them yourselves, okay? So use evidence from each chapter to support your response. Again, we're using chapters 19 and 20. Please complete the outline. Do I have to complete the outline? Yes, you must complete the outline. Once you are finished, you're going to combine your responses and create your essay. Let's take a look. You're going to submit both the outline for 5 points and the final essay for 10 points together for a full 15 points. How will you be graded? What must your response include? Well, guess what? If you complete the outline, you're not going to miss a thing because the outline is essentially the rubric and everything that you are going to be graded on. So please make sure you are answering all parts of that outline. You are going to get 1 point for your introductory statement or statements. You are going to get 1 point for your explanation of why you think the author chose that title. You are going to use evidence from the chapters. So go to chapter 19. You're going to get 2 points for this. I need 2 reasons why you think the way you think. You're going to do the exact same thing for chapter 20. You're going to get 1 point for your explanation, and then you're going to get 2 points for your evidence, your reasons for thinking why you think the way you do. And then you're going to get 1 point for a conclusion. And if I see that you are revising, you are taking the time to try and use your best spelling, grammar, capital letters, punctuation, you're going to get 2 points. And that is a total of 10 points for the essay. And then you are going to get 5 points just for completing the outline. And the outline is basically going to set you up. So here's the outline, your introduction statement. You are simply going to type right on here. When you get to the bottom, you are simply going to take all of your thoughts, combine them together, and your final essay will be below. When you're all finished, you can go and click File, Save As. I'm going to save it to my PC, my desktop, my history folder. Mine is already saved. I'm going to click on that, click Save. I'm going to have to close that file. When I go to submit, I'm in the same exact spot. I'm simply going to click Add a File, My Computer, Upload. I'm going to go right to that desktop, right to that folder, and upload my correct assignment. I'm going to click Add, but I'm not going to do that here because I do not want to add something to a student's. So boys and girls, please take your time. Remember, you have 3 days to work on this. You have 3 days to work on this. This is due Friday, October 23rd. I will see you guys on Monday, October 26th. Please use those class days to work hard. Thanks, everyone. I know you can do this. Have a great weekend.